What's up, everybody? TechFit360 here. Why the sad face? Well, I was expecting my Applewatch Series 8 today, and I was going to share it with you guys. I don't know what happened. I placed the order. It was supposed to be here, and I'm still waiting. So I'm kind of in a dump right now because you see, it's been so long since I've had a brand new Apple Watch.
Motion detected at the DC front door.
There's motion at my front door? Could it be? Oh. Do you realize what this means? It means your road to being tech fit starts in
3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You know what's really cool when Apple ships you a device is that you don't know where it's from. If there's no indication on here, that's letting you know it's an Apple product. That means you don't have to worry about, well, I guess you'll always have to worry about somebody trying to lift packages from your front door, but still, nobody knows that there's all this goodness inside this box. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited because I haven't had a brand new Apple Watch in 4 years or more. But anyway, all right, and Apple makes it really cool to open their products. You just follow this little arrow right here and you just pull right. Yeah. All right. Look at that. I don't know if you can even see that, but Apple Watch right here. You can even feel it. Look at that. Nice. Out of my way, box. I don't need you. Oh, great. It's right there. Look at that. It says Series 8. It looks like paper towel holder. So I have 2 boxes here. All right, let's go ahead. Let's start with the sport band. Just gonna follow the arrows here. And here is the band itself. Don't be hard to get. Oh crap. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. This is the Series 8 Apple Watch. And again, I'm just going to follow the arrows. Designed by Apple in California. Instructions. No, don't need those. Hey, are there any Apple stickers? No. A magnetic charger for the Apple Watch. And here is the Apple Watch itself. Oh, this is the Apple Watch. Hey, look at this. Wait a minute. If you feel the top of the box, you can feel the Apple Watch. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Let me see if I can rotate the crown. Nope, that's not working. We're gonna just slide that in place like so. Guys, like I said, this is the first Apple Watch I've had in like 4 years. So yeah, I am definitely excited about this. There we go. I'm going to charge this baby up and then we're gonna set it up. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, so my excitement has died down just a bit and now I'm ready to go forward with the setup. Now, it turns out that I did not need to charge my Series 8 Apple Watch, so we are good to go. Now, there were several new colors to choose from, but I decided on the 45mm Midnight Aluminum watch. I kind of fell in love with this color after watching the Apple event. I also decided to go with the black and white Nike Sport Band, or as I call it, my interracial band. And then sometimes I call it my Stormtrooper band, but it just depends on what mood I am in. But for those of you who don't know, it is very easy to set up your brand new Apple Watch. Just grab your iPhone and follow the prompts. Now, as I mentioned earlier, a couple of times, maybe 15 times, I don't know, I have not purchased an Apple Watch since the Series 4. Now, up until that point, I was buying one every year, but then I realized that my Apple Watches, they were not breaking down and they were not malfunctioning. so why keep upgrading every year? Now, my Series 4 that you see laying on the unboxing table has worked perfectly since I purchased it in 2018. It still looks good and it's still going strong. Now, I must admit, when I saw that Apple Watch Ultra, oh man, I was tempted, guys, but I just couldn't justify paying over $800 for it. Plus, I always get Apple Care, then there's the tax, so I would have ended up paying about $1 grand for the Apple Watch. I guess if my life was a little more active, then I could justify it to myself. Now, there is another Apple Watch option, and it's the Apple Watch SE version, which is a little smaller, a few less features, and oh yeah, much cheaper. Okay, so I didn't want to bore you with a complete setup, but here we are with my Apple Watch all set up. First, I need to make a quick change within the Watch app because I like my crown on the left side versus my right side. I don't know, it just looks better to me. All right, so here we are with the beautiful Series 8 once again. Now, looking at the back of the watches, you can definitely see a difference between the Series 4 here and the Series 8. And I know this, the new one has that temperature sensing feature, so that's pretty cool. All right, here is my baby, the Stormtrooper. But anyway, here we are. So first of all, let me go ahead and put this on my wrist. Give it a good fit, and let's open up the app. Okay, so now we're in the face gallery, and as you can see, wow, there are a lot of different faces to choose from. There's my boy Mickey. I always have to have Mickey as one of my watch faces, but yeah, there are many different faces to choose from. And then at the top up here, you have some new watch faces. You have the Metropolitan, Lunar, Playtime, Astronomy, Portraits, and Modular. And right now I am rocking the Modular. Where's that face that I love because I can turn the crown. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's, let me add that one. I think it's the Metropolitan. Let me add that one. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is so cool. I'm changing the numbers on the dial. Look at that. That is awesome. Okay, I just had to show you all that. You know, I thought that was pretty cool. One feature that I do love now is, check this out. My display, it is always on. I think that is so cool because there have been times where I would like hold my Apple Watch up to my face, and I have to do it a couple of times sometime before it actually comes on. But now it's on all the time, so I love that. And it doesn't appear that it's really taking a lot of battery life from me at all. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get into the watch. Now I used to have my apps in grid mode, but I decided to change it to the list view. Seems like I can kind of go through this a little easier, but let's see. Okay, first of all, let's check out my faces. So of course I have the Modular here, but I also have that Nike face. I like that as well. And of course, there's my boy.
It's 2:57.
Oh man, I love that. I love that. That is a trip. All right. So a few things about the Apple Watch. This one, it's the Series 8. It is crack resistant. It's dust resistant, and of course it's water resistant. So let's go ahead and look at some of the apps here. Some of the newer apps. All right, so they have blood oxygen, so you can check your blood oxygen levels now. So it says start, so click start. Unsuccessful measurement because I was moving. So let's dismiss that. Let's try it again. And I'm gonna stay still, guys. Stop making me move. All right, here we go. Oh, there we go. Blood oxygen at 98%. All right, let's see what else is different. Cycle tracking. If this thing ever pops up and tells me that my period is about to start, yeah, I am headed to the doctor. But yeah, for females, you can track your period with this. You know, it's pretty cool. And it works along with that temperature sensing feature. So that is pretty cool. And what else do we have? Okay, ECG or electrocardiogram. So we can actually, let's see, if I hold my finger to the crown, let me do that. All right, sinus rhythm, 71 beats per minute. See, so that's another cool health feature. And let's see what else we have. Okay, heart rate, check your heart rate. And it already has my current rate that I just checked it a minute ago, so it already has that setting. So that is pretty cool. Nice. Oh, and there's another cool feature I want to show you. Now, if you're like me, I sometimes forget to take, my vitamins or any type of medication that I'm on. I sometimes forget to take those. But now we have something that I think you're going to really enjoy if you have that same problem like I have, and it's called the medications app. And I don't have it set up yet, but you can have the Apple Watch remind you to take your medications at whatever time you set. But I think that is an awesome feature to have on this watch to keep us all healthy. It's staying in line with keeping us healthy, because as you can tell that the majority of the upgrades and improvements to the Apple Watch is designed, to keep us healthy, track our heart rate, make sure we're exercising, make sure we stand up. These things are very important on a day-to-day basis because we're trying to live our best life. And I am so happy that Apple, with this Series 8 Apple Watch, is helping us do just that. So it feels like I'm leaving something now. Oh yeah, also the new Apple Watches, they have a feature called crash detection and fall detection. Now, when either of these events occur, Apple will contact the emergency services and get you some help. So you see, the Apple Watch is not only just for fun, games, and text messages. It's like having a technical angel watching your back. I am definitely going to have to write that down. But yeah, those are just some of the other features. Of course, there's fast charging. You have edge-to-edge retina display, and we already know that it always stays on. So just some other features of the Apple Watch Series 8 that I know you're going to enjoy. And I finally got the walkie-talkie to work. I finally was able to test out the walkie-talkie for the first time since I've ever had an Apple Watch, and I think that feature is so cool. It reminds me of those old Dick Tracy cartoons. And also because I think they added some more workouts here, which is good. Keep us nice and shape, because Tech Fit has really turned into Tech Fat. And I really need to do some workouts. But this is pretty cool. Now this Apple Watch, it has 18 hours of battery life. But if you enter into low power mode, you can extend the battery life. I believe it's up to 36 hours. So that is definitely pretty cool. And also, I'm going to spend more time checking out that sleep app. Let's see, where's the sleep app? Sleep app, here we go. I'm gonna really get into this because, see, from what I've seen so far, I have to set my sleep hour. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I have to set my schedule on when I go to bed, when I wake up. But what happens if I, decide to stay up later? Is it going to automatically know that, hey, I'm still up? Like the Fitbit, I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is go to bed, and then it'll track me during the night. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can close some activity rings on the activity app. But please make sure you connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And please be sure to subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel for more tech videos. Thanks again, everybody, and I will see you in my very next video. God bless.